Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today different style of windows available on the market might be dizzying if you are remodeling, but it is essential to keep your wits about your since windows contribute so much to the overall success of your design scheme. They reflect the architecture of your house, but they also add a dose of decorative style to the interior that should enhance the look of the room they inhabit. Double hung, multiple light windows are a good choice for a traditional home, but within that category you can choose pattern for the grille design that can reflect a classic style or lean more toward a more retained contemporary style. A leaded glass windows with diamond shaped panes establish a desired old fashioned look to room and can be a focal point on its own. To achieve the look of original glass, there are companies which manufacture wavy old look glass to buildings codes. For a fresh, modern style, the clean look of casement windows which open from side hinges with a crank or lever are a natural fit. Casement look great inside and out, add a very authentic but humble feel to a space. It's also nice to be able to crank them open and feel the breeze. These windows can be designed with grills for a softer, more transitional look or with solid pane of glass. Used in conjunction with picture windows, casement windows contribute to a sleek with a linear minimal decorating style. And since the picture window is immovable, the casement offers the option of ventilation without obstructing a view. Windows brighten a room, but they hog wall space, sometimes leaving you with nowhere to hang artwork. If the effect you are after is the kind of highly personalized envelope immovable, the casement offers the option of ventilation without obstructing a view. Envelope atmosphere that artwork creates less might be more, and many homeowners can attest there can be too much of good thing. A blast of early morning sunlight can turn a kitchen into a torture chamber rather than a peaceful place to begin the day. Curtains can minimize some of the problems of too much light, but in space like kitchens where use of fabric is ill-advised, the design of the windows should take into consideration the path of the sun over the course of a day. A north-facing kitchen can handle more windows, and there is nothing more lovely than a wall of windows with storage limited to lower cabinets only. Specialty windows like bay windows are used to make maximum design impact. A bay windows can provide you with classic grace note, a spot for a window seat, creating a charming dining look. Or in a large traditional home, bay windows can give the classic grace note to your elegant interior. Any windows open out by pivoting from the top of the window sash operated by a crane. Awning windows, commonly used purely with large picture windows and may be placed along bottom sides or top of the picture windows to provide ventilation. They can also be installed above doors, much like transom windows. Because they open out, awning windows are not recommended near walkways and other traffic areas, lest the open windows obstruct the traffic path. Casement windows also open out and usually pivot from side hinges. Many casements have fairly large glass panes to provide ample light that is uninterrupted by mountain boards or other framings. Casements also typically offer more open ventilation area than other window types. When closed and locked, casement windows can make a very effective seal for improved energy performance. Like awning windows, casement should not open out into traffic lanes. Double hung and single hung windows are the most common and familiar windows type. The only difference between them is that single hung has a movable lower sash and fixed upper sash, while double hung has two movable sashes, the upper sash slide down. Main advantages of double hung windows is somewhat better ventilation. With both sashes open about halfway, air naturally flows in through the lower opening and out through the upper opening. Double hung windows also can be cleaned inside and out without to need to clean from outside. Single and double hung windows work in most locations and have a classic decoration look. They typically offer less open area than casement and slider windows and can be more prone to air leakage than casement. Picture windows are best in areas where airflow is not important because they do not open. They are often large glass expanses occupying the center portion of a wall to provide broad views and ample sunlight. Picture windows also work well for high windows in two-story foyers because they do not open. Picture windows are less prone to air leakage, but their large glass pane can lose or gain a lot of heat. even with energy efficient double pace construction. Thank you for watching the video. If you like my video, then subscribe my YouTube channel. If you get any help, then comment down below. Thank you.